Now, my friends, let's finish our lesson. Are you ready? Let's go. Here we have three numbers, and we want to place the even numbers in the square and the odd numbers in the triangle. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first number is 658. Is that an even number or an odd number? How do we find out? Correct. We need to look at the ones place, which has an 8. Number 8 is an even number or an odd number? You guys are doing great. It's an even number. So 658 is an even number. So we will put it in the square. Now let's look at the second number. It is 721. Is that an even number or an odd number? Correct. We will look at the ones place, which has a 1. Is that an even or odd number? Odd. Good job. So 721 is an odd number. Great work. So we will put it in the triangle. Now let's look at the last number. It is 450. Who knows if it is an even number or an odd number? Yes, we will look at the ones place, which has a 0. Is that even or odd? It's even, correct. So 450 is an even number, so we will place it in the square. Look at this number line. We want to place a square on the even numbers and a circle on the odd numbers. Let's begin. Here we have the number 225. Is it even or odd? Correct. We will look at the ones place. It has a 5, which is an odd number. So the number 225 is an odd number. That is why we will put a circle on it. The next number is 226. We will look at the ones place. It has a 6, which is an even number. So 226 is an even number, so we will put a square on it. The number 227, is it even or odd? Good job. We will look at the ones place. It has a 7, which is an odd number. So the number 227 is an odd number. We will place a circle on it. The number 228, we will look at the ones place. It has number 8, which is an even number. So the number 228 is an even number, so we will put a square on it. The number 229, well, we will look at the ones place. It has number 9, which is an odd number. So the number 229 is an odd number, so we will put a circle on it. The number 230. We will look at the ones place. It has a 0, which is an even number. So the number 230 is an even number, so we will put a square on it. Sev has 4 red cubes and 2 yellow cubes. How many cubes does he have? How do we know? Excellent. We use the addition. So what is the result of adding 4 plus 2? 6. Well done. Is 6 an even or odd number? Look with me. Do you notice anything here? The number 4 is an even number. The number 2 is an even number. And the number 6 is an even number. So the result of adding an even number plus an even number is equal to an even number. Excellent! Let us add more numbers. Khalid has 5 black cars and 3 yellow cars. How many cars does he have? How do we know? Good job. We will use the addition. So, what is the result of adding 5 plus 3? 8. Well done. Is 8 an even or an odd number? Look with me. Did you notice something here? Number 5 is an odd number. The number 3 is an odd number. And the number 8 is an even number. So the result of adding an odd number plus an odd number is equal to an even number. Excellent! What do you think if we add 2 more numbers? Let's go! Tasneem has 4 red apples and 3 green apples. How many apples does she have? How do we know? Well done, we use the addition. So, what is the result of adding 4 plus 3? 7. Excellent. Is 7 an even number or an odd number? Look with me. Did you notice something here? The number 4 is an even number. The number 3 is an odd number. And the number 7 is an odd number. So the result of adding an even number plus an odd number equals an odd number. Great job! Now let us collect the 3 rules here. The first rule is the result of adding an even number plus an even number. What does it equal? Excellent, an even number. For example, the result of adding 24 plus 32 equals 56. The second rule is the result of adding an odd number plus an odd number equals an even number. For example, 21 plus 13 equals 34. The third rule we took is the result of adding an even number plus an odd number equals an odd number. For example, 22 plus 23 equals 45. What is the first even number that comes after the number 152? We want the even number that comes after 152. How do we know? Let us count together. 152, 153, then 154. Well, which one is an even number? Excellent, it's the number 154. That is because the number in the ones place is 4, which is an even number. What is the first even number that comes before the number 140? We want the even number that comes before the number 140. How do we know? Let us count together. 140, 139, and before it, 138. Well, which one is an even number? Excellent, it is the number 138. This is because the number in the ones place is 8, which is an even number. By this, dear students, we have learned together distinguishing between even and odd numbers made of 2 place values. distinguishing between even and odd numbers made of 3 place values. Understanding what happens when we add odd numbers with even numbers, odd numbers with odd numbers, and even numbers with even numbers.